Hey everyone, welcome back to today's workout. In this one, we're going to be doing an 8-minute Tabata abs workout. So we're going to be doing 2 separate rounds of Tabata. We're going to do 4 exercises in each round. Okay, so if you haven't done Tabata before, it's 20 seconds on and 10 seconds off for 8 rounds. So we're going to do the 4 exercises in each round twice. Get yourselves warmed up for this one. While you're doing that, make sure you hit the subscribe button down underneath. If you enjoy it, give us a like as well, and then comment on what workout you'd like to see next. Once you've done that, let's get into today's workout. Okay, so guys, let me run you through round number 1 of our Tabata abs workout. So, the first 4 exercises we're going to be doing are, number 1, Russian twists. So we're going to be down on that, body at 45 degrees, legs at 45 degrees, hands in front of us. We're going to bring our hands across our body and extend our opposite leg out. Okay, there are a few variations of all these exercises I'll go through as we're doing the workout. That's exercise number 1. The second one's going to be a side plank. So you're going to have your hand down on your mat, both feet up behind you, hips up high and hand up to the sky. And we're going to hold this on our right hand side. Exercise number 3 is going to be a lower bicycle crunch. So rather than using our arms in a bicycle crunch, hands are just going to stay by our head and our legs. They're going to extend out in front of us. So that's exercise number 3. Last one, exercise number 4, going back to the side plank, this time on the other side. So hips up high, hands up to the sky. Okay, so that's it. We're doing 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, starting with our Russian twist. Okay, if you need a break, have a break. If not, try and smash it all the way through. Okay, are we ready? 3, 2, 1, off we go. So Russian twist first. Again, bringing your hands across the body. Variation you can do for this one. Keep your legs still and then bring your hands across. Equally, you can leave your legs on the floor, last variation, and bring your hands across this way. So you've got a couple of different ones you can do. 3, 2, 1, and 10-second rest. Next exercise, that side plank, right hand side, hips up nice and high, 20-second hold, and off we go. So hand locked out, hip up high. That's it. Variation on this one. You can drop onto your elbow and then push your hip up. That way you can give yourself a bit of a break if you need to. You can just drop down onto your hips. Okay, 3, 2, 1, good. And relax. Hold yourself onto your back again for those lower bicycle crunches. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. So extend those legs out in front of you. Drive them out one at a time. If your neck starts to hurt, you can put a hand behind your neck. And the variation here is that you extend one leg out and bring it back. Rather than swapping as you go, you just extend one leg out, bring it back. Okay, so there are your variations. And relax there. Coming on to our last exercise of this round. Side plank on our left hand side. 3, 2, 1. Again, remember, the same variation obviously applies on this one. We're just working our obliques. You should feel this right down the side of your body. 10 seconds. Keep the hips high, hold that position. Good. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, cool. 10-second rest. Then we go back around to the start on those Russian twists. Ready? 3, 2, 1, off we go. So again, all the way through. This time you know the variations, you've seen them. Remember them. If you need to at any point, just change to another variation. That's it, good. Keep working, 20 seconds on. We've got 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, super. Okay, onto that side plank on the right hand side. Hand on your hand, hips high. 2, 1, off we go. So the key on this one is keeping the hips high. The higher you keep the hips, the more you're going to feel it down your obliques. Keep your right arm strong. That's it, super. And just hold that position. Keep working. Nearly there. 3, 2, 1, 5. Good. 10 seconds. Back to those lower crunches. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Those lower bicycle crunches, off we go. With this one, while you're doing the bicycle crunches, you should have your shoulders up off the mat. That's going to stop your back from arching up, and there shouldn't then be a gap between your back and the mat. Your abs should be pressing your back into the floor. 3, 2, 1. Super. Good. Cool. Last one. The opposite side. 3, 2, 1. Into that side plank. Hips up high. Hand up to the sky. That's it. Good. And just hold it. Last one. Keep it going. Keep it going. Good. Knee there. Spot on. And 3, 2, 1. And relax. Good. Okay, shake it out. Grab yourself a drink if you need to. That's round number 1. Done. Dusted. Round number 2. We're going to be focusing mainly on planks. In fact, entirely on planks. Okay. So exercise number 1 is going to be plank jacks. So we're going to be down my elbows. Our feet are going to jump out and back in. Okay, so those are plank jacks. Exercise number 2 is also going to be exercise number 4 on this one. So 2 and 4 are just going to be holding that strong plank position. Okay, again, I'll show you variations on the first time through. Then exercise number 3 in the middle, you're going to be going from a low to high plank and back down. So we're going to start on our elbows, we're going to move up into our high plank, and then we're going to drop down back into our low plank. And we keep repeating that through. Okay, so 1, plank jacks, then a hold, high to low, second hold. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, off we go. So start with those plank jacks. Let the feet jump out. Good, hand back in. Variation, if you need it, you can do this on your hands instead. So you go up into the push-up plank position and then jump your feet out. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Super, cool. Going into the plank hold. Okay, I'm just going to dive straight with the variation on this one. 3, 2, 1. Variation being, you just hop yourself up in the push-up position. Okay, if that one's still too hard, you can go onto the plank, but go onto your knees. Okay, as long as you're not letting your hips drop too low or too high, you're keeping your hips in line with your shoulders, you can hold it here. 3, 2, 1, but good. Shake it out. Next, that low to high plank, low to high. 3, 2, 1, off we go. So that's from the bottom up to the top and back down. Make sure you alternate the arm. That goes from one to the next. Your variation on this one, rather than directional movement up, you're going to turn it into a buzzsaw plank and just rock forwards and backwards. If you struggle going up and down, go forwards and back. And relax there, good. Shake your arms out. Super. Okay, back to that hold, second time. 2, 1, off we go. Again, remember that variation that you've got on your plank. Keep crunching your hips towards your shoulders. Good. Keep working, keep going. Near there. 3, 2, 1. Super. Shake it out. Round number 1 done. Back to those mountain jacks. Next. 4 exercises left. Near there. 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Again, remember your variations on the exercise. You can always start off on this one, then progress up to here and keep going. Then, if you want to go back down again, go for it. You can keep alternating. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay. Shake it out. Plank hold next. Again, vary it if you need to. 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Hold it. Keep holding it in there. Sit spot on. Good. Doing well. 2 exercises left after this one. Then we're finished. Super. Keep holding it. 3, 2, 1. Good. Shake it out. Low to high next. Low to high. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Off we go. So we go from low, pop it up to the top, and back down. Low, up, back down. Again, remember that version. You can always add the little buzzsaw in between each one as well. If you want to just make it that little bit tougher. 3, 2, 1, good. Okay, last one. Last hold on the plank. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Let's hold it. Stay strong throughout this one. Last 20 seconds. That's all you're holding it for. Do that. 10 seconds left. Super. Good guys. Hold it. Keep working. 3, 2, 1. And relax. Fantastic. Good. Shake it out. Grab yourself a drink. Relax. Make sure you stretch your core after this one. Loosen it off a little bit. That'll help relieve some of the dons for the next day. If you have enjoyed this one, do hit the like button like I said at the start. If you did when you were warming up, subscribe if you enjoyed. Thank you very much guys, see you on the next one.